So today's recipe is a nice warming vanilla maca smoothie. So I'm going to be using the Happy Way maca root powder. So maca is excellent for balancing not only female hormones but also male hormones. So I'm also going to be using some soy milk. Any plant-based milk will work nicely. I've got some coconut sugar for sweetness, some vanilla extract, some melted cacao butter, however coconut butter will also work well, and some spices, cinnamon and some ginger. So I'm simply just going to heat the milk on the stovetop until it's nice and warm, throw it in the blender with the rest of the ingredients and blend it all together until it's nice and smooth. Pour it into some serving mugs, top it with some extra cinnamon or some vegan whipped cream to serve.